Hey everyone, welcome to Factic. Today we are diving into the future of drone technology with DJI's upcoming lineup for 2025. If you love drones and tech, this is the video for you. We are going over all the latest leaks, rumors, and expert predictions to see what DJI might be bringing next year. From advanced flight features to better cameras and smarter AI, there's a lot to be excited about. DJI is known for pushing the limits of what drones can do, so this lineup could introduce game-changing upgrades. Maybe we will see longer battery life, new obstacle avoidance technology, or even a compact pro-level drone that's easier to carry but still powerful. We'll break down all the details so you know what to expect and what might be worth waiting for. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of tech. Now let's get started and see what DJI could have in store for us next year. Number 6. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring several big upgrades while keeping its lightweight design under 250 grams. This means pilots in many countries can fly without registration. DJI might use stronger materials, making it more durable while still easy to carry. Wind resistance could improve with a more aerodynamic shape. New motor tuning and better propeller design could help it handle tougher weather conditions. The camera is where we might see the biggest change. Some leaks suggest a 1-inch sensor, while others point to an upgraded 1.3-inch sensor. Either way, this would mean better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. DJI could also include a wider aperture for better exposure, and depth of field video quality might also get an upgrade. The Mini 4 Pro already offered 4K at 60 frames per second, but the Mini 5 Pro could introduce 4K at 120 frames per second. For smoother slow motion, a 10-bit color profile might also be added for better color grading. Battery life could see a boost too. Some rumors suggest a flight time of over 40 minutes. Charging could also get faster with a smart charging hub for more efficient battery swaps. Obstacle avoidance is another key area for improvement. The Mini 5 Pro could introduce full 360-degree protection, making it safer to fly. Smarter tracking features with better AI could also help with hands-free operation and automatic shooting modes, making professional shots easier to capture. Number 5. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to bring big upgrades over its predecessor. One of the biggest changes could be its AI-driven flight system. Early leaks suggest it will have an advanced neural processing unit. This would allow the drone to make real-time flight decisions, better avoid obstacles, and adapt to different environments without much user input. Battery life could also see a major boost. Rumors say the Neo 2 might offer up to 60 minutes of flight time. If true, this would make it one of the longest-lasting drones available. This would be especially useful for security, surveillance, and industrial applications where extended flight time is crucial. The propulsion system might also get a big upgrade. The Neo 2 could reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour while staying stable. It is also expected to have an improved OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, giving it a range of up to 15 kilometers with ultra-low latency HD streaming. The controller might be redesigned with an integrated touchscreen display, eliminating the need for a smartphone. Early reports suggest it will have a more ergonomic grip and better battery life. The camera is where the Neo 2 could really stand out. Rumors say it might have a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 20-megapixel resolution, and 5.4K video recording. It could also feature an adjustable aperture for better low-light shots and 10-bit D-Log for professional color grading overall. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a game-changing drone. Number 4. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to bring major upgrades to the Mavic lineup. It keeps the sleek foldable design but is slightly heavier for better stability in windy conditions. It also has quieter propellers, so flights are smoother and less noisy. The biggest upgrade is the camera. It features a 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor that captures 20-megapixel photos and 5.7K video at 60 frames per second. This means sharper details, better colors, and improved low-light performance. The adjustable aperture ranges from f2.8 to f11, giving more control over exposure in different lighting. The new AI-powered autofocus system tracks moving subjects with greater accuracy. Whether filming action sports, wildlife, or fast-moving cars, the focus remains sharp. It supports 10-bit D-Log and Apple ProRes for better post-production editing. Flight performance has also improved. The Mavic 4 Pro now offers up to 50 minutes of flight time on a single charge. It reaches speeds of 45 miles per hour and has better wind resistance for stable flights. OcuSync 4.0 extends video transmission up to 15 kilometers. With a stable 4K live feed, it also features a full 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time with smarter flight modes like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots 2.0, and Waypoints 3.0. This drone is built for both professionals and enthusiasts. It delivers high-quality results with advanced features for smooth cinematic shots. Number 3. The DJI Avata 3 is expected to bring major upgrades for FPV drone enthusiasts. It features a powerful 4K camera that captures sharp and vibrant footage. Whether you are filming high-speed action or smooth cinematic shots, this camera ensures top-quality results. One of the biggest improvements is the upgraded gimbal stabilization system. This keeps footage steady, even when making sudden movements or flying at high speeds. This is great for content creators who need professional video without extra editing. The camera supports HDR video, which improves brightness and contrast in different lighting conditions. Shadows and highlights are more balanced, so your footage looks clear even in challenging environments. You can also adjust resolutions and frame rates to match your creative style. This drone is compact, tough, and lightweight. It is built to handle the fast and unpredictable nature of FPV flying. Without breaking easily, its aerodynamic design reduces air resistance, helping it move faster and perform advanced maneuvers like sharp turns and high-speed dives. Battery life is improved, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time. This means fewer landings and more time in the air. Advanced sensors help avoid obstacles in all directions, making flights safer. The Avata 3 is compatible with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers, providing a high-resolution live view with minimal delay. Flight modes include assisted and manual options, so both beginners and experienced pilots can enjoy flying with improved safety features, faster charging, and a Find My Drone function. This drone is shaping up to be a solid upgrade. Number 2. The DJI Flip 2 is designed for portability with a unique folding system that makes it easy to carry. When fully opened, it measures about 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters and weighs under 250 grams. This lightweight build keeps it within drone regulations and makes it accessible for all users. The fully enclosed propellers add extra safety, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor flights. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This ensures high-quality footage with sharp details and accurate colors. The camera also supports DNG and RAW formats for more editing flexibility. With an 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom, it can capture a variety of shots from wide landscapes to close-up details. The drone runs on a 3,110 mAh battery, providing about 30 minutes of flight time per charge. A new charging hub allows multiple batteries to be charged at once, so you can fly longer with less downtime. AI enhancements make flying easier. The Active Track system lets the drone automatically follow a subject while keeping them in frame. Quick shot modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight help users create professional-looking shots with minimal effort. Safety and stability are key features. With built-in LED lights for better visibility in low-light conditions, improved connectivity ensures smooth video transmission, and an ergonomic controller design makes it comfortable to operate for extended periods. Number 1. The DJI FPV 2 is set to bring major upgrades for drone enthusiasts. It is all about speed and precision, reaching up to 90 miles per hour in manual mode. This makes it one of the fastest drones in its category. It has 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, so both beginners and experienced pilots can enjoy it. Normal mode keeps things smooth, sport mode adds more speed with some assistance, and manual mode gives full control for advanced users. DJI has upgraded the propulsion system for better stability, smoother handling, and quicker turns. Even at high speeds, you can pull off tight maneuvers without losing control. This makes it great for FPV racing and high-speed cinematic shots. The camera is also improved. It now has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that records in 4K at 120 frames per second. This means sharper and smoother footage, even in fast chases. It supports HDR for better colors and contrast. The f2.0 aperture helps capture more detail in low-light conditions. Another big upgrade is DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization. This keeps footage steady even during sudden movements, so you get clean and clear shots. The drone's new aerodynamic design reduces drag and improves battery efficiency. Stronger materials help it survive minor crashes. It also comes with LED lights for better visibility and improved propeller guards for safety. Battery life is now up to 25 minutes per charge with faster charging and better thermal management. It also has better safety features like obstacle detection and return to home mode, so even beginners can fly with confidence. Thanks for watching Factic. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on DJI's rumored drones for 2025. What features do you hope to see, and which upgrades do you think will make the biggest difference? Whether it's better battery life, smarter AI tracking, or upgraded cameras. We want to know what excites you most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. We cover everything from drones to smart gadgets. And more so, there's always something new to explore. Our goal is to keep you informed and help you make the best choices when it comes to the latest tech, so stay tuned, because we have a lot of exciting content coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the limits of what technology can do. See you in the next video.